The Sutra of Ksitigarbha Bodhisattva's Original Vow. Chapter 12. Benefits derived from seeing and hearing. If those people's karmic retributions were such that they should have to undergo severe sickness, then with such merit they can quickly be cured, and their lifespans prolonged. If those people's retributions send them to the evil destinies at death due to their karma and obstacles, then with such merit they can, when their lives end, be born among people or gods, and there enjoy extremely wonderful bliss. All their obstacles due to offences will dissolve. Moreover, contemplator of the world sounds Bodhisattva, in the future, men or women may have lost their fathers, mothers, brothers or sisters while still an infant, or as a child of 3 or 5, or under 10 years of age. As adults, such people may think about those parents and other relatives, not knowing into what paths or worlds or heavens they have been born. Suppose such people are able to sculpt or paint images of erstwhile Bodhisattva, or to gaze upon and worship him once, or for 1 through 7 days without retreating. Upon hearing his name and seeing his image, they gaze in worship and make offerings. If such people's relatives had fallen into bad paths and were destined to remain there for many eons, those relatives will quickly gain release, be born among people or gods, and experience supremely wonderful bliss. That will happen because of the meritorious virtue generated by their sons, daughters, brothers, or sisters, who carved or painted images of erstwhile Bodhisattva, and then gazed upon and worshipped them. If such people's relatives had already been born among people or gods on the strength of their own blessings, and were already experiencing supremely wonderful bliss, then upon receiving that additional merit, their causes leading to sagehood will increase, and they will experience limitless bliss. If such people are able to behold and worship images of erstwhile Bodhisattva single-mindedly during 3 weeks, reciting his name a full 10,000 times, the Bodhisattva may then manifest a boundless body, and describe to those people the realms into which their relatives have been born. Or in their dreams the Bodhisattva may manifest great spiritual power, and personally lead them to those worlds to see their relatives. If they can further recite the Bodhisattva's name 1,000 times a day, every day for 1,000 days, the Bodhisattva will send the ghosts and earth spirits in the vicinity of such people to guard and protect them for their entire lives.